Okay, for language day, we are doing 2 pages. We are doing page 85, 86, and we are going to review for the quiz that is tomorrow. The first thing you're going to be doing on the quiz is just drawing a line to separate between the subject and the verb, and then you will underline the verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word that usually shows action. All right? So, we also learned on Friday that there is present tense and there is past tense. Right? So, this, we're going to go like this, present tense or past. I'll put it behind you for past. So, present tense or past tense. So, I'm going to say a verb, and you tell me if it's present or past. Right? The word is cold. Yeah, that's past, because it ends in a ed. Follow. If it doesn't end in ed, it's present. And you're supposed to be doing this or this, not blurting out. So that would be present. It does not end in an ed. Remember, past ends in an ed. Sparkled. Ed. Smile. Present. Very good. Shocked. Shocked ends in ed. Even though it sounds like a T, that's when the ed says cook. Present. Very good. Barked. Okay, and baked. Very good. So anytime it ends in an ed. So to make a present tense verb past, what are you going to do? Add d or ed. If the word ends in an e, you're just going to add a d. If it does not end in an e, then you need to add an ed. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and look at our paper. It is a pretty easy quiz, so I don't think we need to talk about it too. Thank you. Alright, so looking at your paper, let's read the rules at the top first. It says verbs that tell about something that will happen are called future tense. The word will usually comes before a future tense verb. This will not be on the quiz tomorrow. We're only going to do present and past. But this is talking about something that is going to happen, so you put the word will, like I will bake. Okay, I bake right now. I baked yesterday. I will bake. Right? Read the next thing. Verbs that tell about something that happens now are called present tense. We learned about those on Friday. And verbs that tell about something that already happened are called past tense. Read the sentences. Yesterday, we looked at our plants. So that was past tense. Today, we look at our plants. That's present tense. And the last one, tomorrow, we will look at our plants. So that's future tense. Right? Underline each future tense verb 2 times. Remember to underline the word will, because that's part of it. That's also called a helping verb. It's helping the verb so that you know that it's future. Okay? Tomorrow, we will invite Graham to Bible Club, said Mom. What is the verb? Adam?
Will invite.
Will invite. So underline will invite 2 times. That is not will invite. Will wait, honey. Will invite 2 times. Underline it 2 times. Underline will 2 times. Guys, you are underlining the word will 2 times and invite 2 times. That is the future tense verb, will invite. Sophia said, I sure hope he will come with us.
Will come.
Will come. Very good. Underline will come 2 times. Number 3, Mrs. Cartwright will teach us about Jesus, promised Sophia.
Will teach.
Will teach. Very good. We will sing songs and will learn Bible verses too, exclaimed Sophia's little brother. Will sing, will learn. There's 2. Some of you are just saying will sing, some of you are just saying will learn. It's both of them. Will sing, this is a compound future tense verb. Will sing, will learn. You need to underline both of them. Mom said, I will pray that Graham's parents say he may come with us.
Will pray.
Will pray. Very good. Is it really important?
No, if you just say welcome, it sounds like welcome.
Yeah, if you see it. Not too good. All right, draw a line between the subject and predicate. Oh, this is what we're doing on the quiz tomorrow. So this is like practice for the quiz, okay? So draw a line between the subject and the predicate and draw 2 lines under the action verb that's in the predicate part. So let's read the first sentence. In Puerto Rico, scientists looked through the largest telescope in the world. After what word?
Puerto Rico.
Scientists. No, Puerto Rico's not doing anything. Who's doing something?
Scientists.
So after the word scientist, think about it that way, guys. Puerto Rico's not doing anything. Scientists are doing something. So draw the line after the word scientist. What are the scientists doing?
Looking through the largest.
No, you need to tell me one word, the verb.
Looking.
No.
Through.
Pay attention.
Through.
You need to look at your sentence and see what the verb is. Do not make up another word other than what it is.
When you're saying the scientist.
And it says scientist. What is it that scientists do? Look. The verb is look. Sit up. Get your chair closer to your desk. All right, let's read number 2. Christopher Columbus discovered the island of Puerto Rico in 1493.
Christopher Columbus.
Very good. Draw the line after Christopher Columbus. And looking at the predicate part of that, what is the action verb?
Discovered.
Discovered. So discover would be what tense? Past, because it ends in a ed.
That's a long time ago.
The first sentence, look, was a present tense, right? People in Puerto Rico speak English and Spanish. No, not
Puerto
people.
Rico.
Not just people.
Puerto Rico.
No.
People in Puerto
People
Rico.
is the subject. People is people, but where?
Rico.
You need to say people in Puerto Rico, then put your line.
That's where
Speak.
Then your verb is
Speak.
draw the line after Puerto Rico, but Puerto Rico is not your subject. People is still the subject.
Puerto Rico.
All right. Next it says many Puerto Ricans enjoy basketball, volleyball, and boxing.
Many Puerto Ricans.
Okay, draw the line after many Puerto Ricans, and what do they do?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. And that again would be
Enjoy
present
basketball.
tense.
Enjoy.
No, you just need to say enjoy. The verb is enjoy.
It's actually enjoy.
Enjoy is the verb. It's something you can do. You can enjoy something.
You say those good Puerto Ricans do enjoy
No,
basketball.
I need you to tell me the verb because what are we doing? We're finding the verb. Number 5, much of the food in Puerto Rico tastes spicy.
Much of the food in Puerto Rico.
Very good. After the word Puerto Rico, because much of the food in Puerto Rico would be your subject. And the
Taste.
predicate is taste spicy. What's the verb? Taste. Last one. The coqui, a small tree frog, lives in Puerto Rico.
A small tree frog.
Very good. After the word frog, the coqui, a small tree frog, and verb? Lives. Very good. All right, please stop doing that. Why are you doing that? Use proofreader marks to insert all necessary commas, end marks, and quotation marks. So this is direct quotation. Aunt Bonnie said, would you like a piece of peach pie? What do you need to do first?
Put insert quotation marks before and after. Before what?
Please tell me one at a time. Before
Would.
would. Before the word would. Then
Insert question mark.
it's a question. So question mark after pie, and then
Insert quotation marks after question.
yes, quotation marks after the question mark. And don't forget to insert them. Use the little insert. So the question mark, the quotation marks, both places. Turn your paper over because we're doing both sides of this today. All right, we are going to do a little story, and we're going to all have the same story, and you're going to get to draw a picture with it. Is it important?
On the other side, we're not supposed to just underline the verb. We're supposed to underline the predicate. Oh, never mind.
Draw a line line between the subject and predicate parts of the sentence. Draw 2 lines under the action verb in the predicate. Alright, so we're gonna read this story. Yes. Yes, thank you, very much. Alright. Can you eat and break at the same time?
Yeah.
Right.
As long as I just don't spill it.
Yeah. So, you're gonna put your divider up. And don't get any food on your. And I'm gonna put this bag in here.
Okay.
What are you, number 8?
Yeah, it's the 491 on the left.
This
Yep.
one?
Yep.
Alright, I'm just gonna put it in your bag. Alright. Turn it over. We're doing the other side. Alright, so number 1 on the other side, we're gonna fill in. I'm gonna move this so that you can see the board, see what I wrote on the board. We're gonna come up with some ideas, and we're all gonna have the same story. So it says, last Saturday morning, Dad blank a big fish. What's the best one you think? Grace.
Caught a big fish.
Caught. So, by the way, caught is past tense. It's just one of those words we're gonna learn that it changes. Alright, caught. Caught a big fish. Right? The second one says, Mom said she would blank the fish. Cook. I like that one. That sounds good to me. Cook the fish. Cook the fish. Alright? My big brother would not even blank the fish. Zeke?
Eat the fish.
We're not gonna go with that.
Touch.
Touch. We're gonna go touch. Touch the fish. You'll see why we can't go with eat yet, okay? Eat doesn't work here exactly. It would work, but not in the whole, I've read the whole story already. Alright? Did you blank the fish? Yes. Say it again. Not what we want for this story. You guys might want to read ahead and see what's coming up. What? No, because this is a fish Dad caught. It's going to be.
Did you fillet the fish?
Ah, yes, I like that. Fillet the fish. That's what it would need to be done before Mom cooks it. Alright, so fillet the fish. It works really good there. Did you fillet the fish? Another one I would have accepted is, did you clean the fish? Because it would have been good to clean it off too. Would you believe that I offered to blank the fish? What would be something silly that somebody might do to the fish?
Would you believe?
That I offered to, if you're on your thinking, Liam, say it again? Go ahead, Jonathan, what'd you say?
Feed the fish.
No, we're not gonna go with that.
Kiss.
What?
Kiss.
Yes. I offered to kiss the fish. That would be sort of silly, wouldn't it? I just realized they can't see all the words. Alright, kiss the fish. Alright. And our cat walked by and blanked the fish. What do you think cat might do to it? Abby?
Ate?
No, because if you read the rest, we can't put that he ate it, because then we can't do what they're saying next. Olivia?
Licked.
It could be licked, but that would be where, it would make it where we wouldn't want to eat it. So there's something else the cat might do that maybe still be okay. What might a cat do that we wouldn't ruin it for us?
Saw the fish.
No, something else. Tess. Sniffed. I'm gonna go with sniffed.
Terrible.
Because that would not ruin it for us eating it. The cat sniffed the fish. Lick the fish would work, but then that sort of makes it more like, ew, we don't wanna eat that. And on by Saturday night, we had all blank the fish. What's the word want?
Eat.
None of you are saying, we had all,
Caught.
no, that's caught the fish, way back at the beginning of the story, bud.
Gobble.
All gobbled. We're just gonna say simple. Cause usually you don't say gobbled fish, but it works, but Paige,
Eaten.
eaten is the form you need. You can't say ate, some of you were saying ate, we need eaten. We had eaten the fish. By Saturday night, we had all eaten the fish. Now you get to do the fun part of drawing a picture to go with that story. So you can even draw a picture of somebody kissing the fish if you want. The other thing I want to tell you is for penmanship, I'm not gonna make a separate video for penmanship. For penmanship, you are writing more in my writing collection. If you finished up the story the last time you wrote in it, then you need to start a new story on the very next page. So we're continuing writing in my writing collection. That's what we're doing for today. So make sure you do that. Those of you distance learning. My writing